The Thinkware Car Charging Accessory is an incredibly easy way to power your Thinkware dash and rear camera. All you have to do is plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet and then hide the cable in the driver's footwell. The downside is that the parking surveillance mode will not work with the car charging accessory because the camera will only have power when the car is on. We'll take our rear camera cable and our power cable and plug into the camera. That way we can route these through the headliner, down the pillar, and back to the side of the dash. Take the leftover power and leftover video cable, bundle them together, and zip tie them out of the way.